There we go. There we go, there we go. Oh yeah, yeah. Pop, 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 pop. That's why it's not gonna happen again. Okay. Pop, pop. Pop, pop. Okay, buy like 900 gold. Ice. Still hits me, still hits me. Okay, already we're not even clown sign. People have more and more gold. I mean, like, it's there. I mean, like, a lot of people are geared like more as well in Korea than like this. So yeah, there are quite a bit of people that have like a higher gear as well in like Illiakan. I don't think that's an issue though. Nice counter, nice counter. Is Akkan harder than Blair? No. Don't think bots cause inflation until they sell their go to RM tiers. Is the act of RMT buying a, yeah, but I mean, like, what do you think like allow them to RMT in the first place? It's the bots as well, right? Basically, bots is the root. Without bots, it wouldn't happen, don't you think? You know, 1 + 1 = 2. I know it's a bit hard, 1 + 1, but you know, just in case, like, it's kind of hard for some people. Oh yo yo. Okay, we're fine. Okay. Okay, why didn't release counter this month though? I mean, like, it's just there, so yeah. Just there, not this month. It is what it is. Nothing you can do about it. I don't know, why don't they release like Taimine like this month as well? Yeah, I don't know. Akkan just came out, but I mean, like, you know, when is like Taimine? I wonder. Okay, that's kinda dumb, you know, am I right, boys? Okay. Okay. But really then it becomes fine, right? Theoretically, if you can, but you can't stop them. You can never stop them to begin with, because like, how many people do you think are MT? Now, how many people get banned every time? There is way less for sure. They don't stop. The only thing you can do is just minimize it. Just prevent it from like affecting it too much. Even in Korea, there are bots as well. Okay, 174. Ah, shit. Okay, out. Need to get it to like 160 fast here for like damage, man. Mechanic. Okay, front and back is safe right here. Up. Shaky. Oh, that's on you. Up. Okay, out and then in here. Okay, are we moving in right now? Yep, there we go. Up. Wait, where is the other guys? Yeah, take it, Gunslinger, take it. Where is the other guy? I thought like normally Reaper was the one that is doing that. Huh. Oh shit. There we go. Up. Yeah, that's fine. Okay. Then you have another players pretend to be legit players and complain also. Well, they also complain because even if they are empty, right, they also still need to buy stuff. And because all of the bots and everything, it becomes expensive for them as well. It's not just free-to-play players that are expensive, right? Everyone is expensive. Then they complain that, oh my god, dude, the pound's so expensive, dude. What is this? Even though they already are empty, you know. So basically, they make the problem themselves, and then like they complain after that. Classic right there. The classic cycle. I can't see. Oh shit. Oh. Up. Okay, statue time. Statue. Yeah, here we go. Up. Okay, this should be star. Should be star. Oh shit. The black crystal. And we move this. Okay, there we go. Thank you. Star. Up, 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 up. Okay, this should be fine right here. Up, 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 up. Okay, star is done, star is done. Now we're waiting then. Last one, last one. Oi, keep moving it. Let's go. Okay, I got it. Let's go. Up, Hog human star pattern. Hexagram. Gate 2, how do you trigger the special sidereal interaction? You pay enough like the price. You pay her like some gold and you get it. Exclamation armory apa? Exclamation armory. Okay, is it like the fake one? It is the fake one. Fake one, fake one. Counter, nice. Please don't move. Shit. They move actually. God damn it, yeah. Missed it. Could be a plus, could be a plus. No, it's the ghost, it's the ghost, yeah.
It's the same pattern, I mean, the same move.
Yeah, it's the same move, so you can't really say, you can't really know, so until like you actually like see it. Well, I'm surprised I didn't get hit by a lot of that. Tatter. And laser on top of him. Yeah, the tatter was on the other side actually. Okay. Now to get like the sidereal interaction Yu-Gi-Oh, there is like a specific timing for it. Basically, you know the shaky where like it shakes your screen? A shaky right here. That one right there. Like your screen becomes dark and he will do like a one-shot move like if you're in front of him basically. Yeah, that insta-kill move right there. Laser. That insta-kill move. Never mind, a laser. Stagger. That move right there, if you use Tyrene, at that point, you will basically like trigger the special sidereal. Thing is, like, you know, most of your sidereal comes earlier than that. The only one that actually like comes like on time is only like the 85 bar one. That's why it always happens at that point. And that's assuming you don't have like a lot of DPS. If you have a lot of DPS, you will ignore that. You will like basically pass by it as well. Or if like let's say like you didn't counter enough. This counter like gives some gauge, right? Uh-oh. The donut. And then the laser right here. Up. Yep. Oi! Oh, I got grabbed. This is stagger time. On a bad area actually. This green area is bad because it gives us gauge. I don't know why. Laser. Where is it? Up north. Oh no. Okay, we're fine right here. Spot wise, we're fine. Okay. Fine. Tether again. Up. I don't have any stack yet actually. This is my first stack, so I just need to like dodge everything for now because my gauge is pretty full. But there is also a hidden way in Inanna. There is a hidden way in Inanna, yeah. There is a, yeah. There are hidden way in Inanna, yep. All of them. I mean like I've done the hidden Inanna. I've done the hidden way as well. There is one again apparently on gate 4, but yeah. New Akkan gear set. I mean like it's literally just like the same gear set but like higher item level. So that like you can upgrade like easier. That's the information. Green poison. Delicious poisons. Delicious. Shaky. That holy knight was standing in front. What for? Laser. Oh, okay. Up. Not the donut again. Into the line. 1, 2, 3. Okay, what this gauge do? Where is the lantern god? Lantern god is Dream. Dream the lantern god right now. We need to push it faster right now. Ash! Oh, nice. My counter was a bit too slow to react to it, honestly. Up. Okay, what is this? Counterclockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, 42 bar. Could be a plus here, could be a plus. Oh, never mind, it's not doing this anymore. Tether. And then there is the laser on me. That's fine, I aim the laser up north, that's good. Because no one is there anyway. Oh shit. Pass by the laser, okay. What rank would you rate in terms of enjoyment?
Faster now.
Yeah, I'm keeping it. This enjoyment, pretty high. But then that's kinda biased because like this rate is new, man. Obviously it's gonna be high. Bart heals bait. Sometimes, yeah. Center here could be like a 20 bar here. Up. Oi. There. Should be easy clear, hopefully. Okay, what a special in Ana is I will do, you just stagger more healing. It knocks down the boss and makes the boss take 25% more damage on like gate 1. Gate 4 is basically a shield during like one of his mechanics, so. Up. I need to push it. So many mobs, man. Chaos Dungeon time. Any Chaos Dungeon enjoyers? I am. Legacy Scouter Chaos Dungeon, boys.
One more.
Yep.
Way now.
There we go. There we go. Oh yeah. Pop. I hate NA. What? Why? Why? Okay. Didn't you guys admit to Vault and Heart 3 to 1 there, but it's of Shock Shepherd 4 by 3 get reception instead? That means that party leader is pretty stupid anyway though, so yeah. Time to move on then. Tap with the follow man. Welcome. Way Kamehameha. For 5 by 3 plus 1 reflux instant cast, final strike sword. Reflux crystal adrenaline grudge hitmaster, 1 grim the recommend on +1.
The inside.
I guess ether. Technically it's probably better for you to like is it like a high crit one, Guzandan, or what?
You have to be like very on time on fear as well to get out.
Oh, to not get the fear, yeah.
Yeah, not get fear. Because when you get fear,
New
the monster is
Asia.
gonna, like,
Wade the bro with the Kamehameha. Wade the bro, yep.
the mob's gonna rage.
The God of War mode. Normal doesn't have the God of War mode, no. So yeah. They don't have it. Alright, easy clear. Easy puck. Wait, what card did I get? Oh, okay. Well, I guess like that's my Lost Wind Cliff right there. Lost Wind Cliff. Alright. I'm still there.